Stop over muna kami dito sa Cabanatuan for lunch. This fancy restaurant is very much recommendable as they offer Filipino delicious foods. What I had was dinuguan. The taste was super delicious while Yost had mami, which he also enjoyed its taste. They also serve us free papaitan na sobrang sarap ng lasa. So, it's lunchtime. Magla-lunch muna kami dito sa El Jefe Cucina. It's 11:30 and we'll have to get some rest muna para makapahinga din yung sasakyan. Lunch muna kami. Ayan, simpleng tanghalian. So, ang in-order ko is actually dinuguan and sobrang panalo ng lasa. Sobrang napakasarap. Kapag nakita nyo na tong magandang church na to, yan, yung church na yan, ibig sabihin malapit na kayo sa Farm Ridge. So, andito na kami sa Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija. So, stop over muna kami sa Dalen. Bibili ako ng isda na pwede naming maihaw mamaya. So, hindi ko lang kung nasa na bilihan ng isda. Tanong tayo. Kuya, pwede magtanong, saan nakakabili po ng isda na buhay?
Ito po. Ay, galing na po kayo rito.
Opo,
Doon
sarado.
po saya.
Dulong-dulo pa. Sasakay pa ng tricycle.
Isdang ularin.
Oh, yung pang ihaw. Meron din dito? Mukhang sarado, wala nang tao eh.
Ay, baka
Hindi, meron pa ron.
Meron pa, lakarin lang.
Lang po kayo dyan.
Wala nang ibang isda, ganyan lang.
wala na po.
Okay. Walang fresh na isda. Limited kasi nga nasa bundok sila. Mahirap pala, I realize dapat doon sa baba kami bumili. Bibiliin ko na lang prutas. Magkano pinya mo, ate? Kaya lang may dala ba akong kutsilyo?
Okay na, babalikan ko na.
Sige, pakibalatan. Yan, bili tayo ng saging para sa pancake. Tama-tama, ito hinog na to.
Masarap guys.
Ayan, pinabalatan ko na kay ate kasi mahirap magbalat. Baon kong kutsilyo maliit lang.
Saan po kayo pupunta mo?
Sa Farm Ridge, malapit na dito. Ayan.
Sige, saan po kayo mo?
From Pantabangan Market, it will only take you a few minutes to get to Farm Ridge. So, welcome to Farm Ridge. Andito na kami, maganda yung lugar. We're just waiting for the pick-up kasi sobrang rough ng road. Ayun, no, andyan na may paparating na sasakyan. So, they're going to pick us up. And you have to pay 350 pesos going there. So, ibig sabihin back and forth, that would be 700 pesos. Pero okay lang, sobrang rough kasi sobrang steep ng road, oh. Yung papasok lang dito sa Farm Ridge, actually, ano siya talaga, super rough ang road. So, hindi kakayanin pagka normal na sasakyan. So, kailangan mo talaga ng pick-up na 4x4, yung merong 4x4 settings yung sasakyan. So, kung ikaw ay sedan, hindi pwede. So, makita mo kung gaano kami kagalaw. Paano pagka malakas ang ulan?
Dulas-dulas po yung ano sir. Kahit naka 4x4 ka na.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa Farm Ridge. Nandito na kami sa Farm Ridge. Ang ganda ng lugar. So refreshing. Ang daming mga bulaklak. Bahaghari. So this one is better. This will be your view when you rent Bahaghari cabin. So meron silang plastic chair. It's made of plastic and this is me. That's the view. And the flowers. So ang ganda maybe. The rate of this kind of cabin is a bit expensive as compared to where we are staying. Bahaghari cabin costs 5,000 pesos per night while Hiraya where we stay is only 4,000 per night. Ayan, meron silang ditong eto mga old nara na mga dried trees. Ito ang ginawa nilang upuan. Silipin natin yung kanilang cabin naman dito. Wala pang pangalan actually yung cabin naman dito. Iba't ibang place. So, this is the view. Ito yung place. Meron ding pahingahan and your pero it's the same design. Ang ganda ng lugar. So, meron kang coffee nook, and you have electric fan, and there are two maybe shower room and the toilet. So merong loft area. So ganda ng coffee. The good thing is that they have butter. At least may magagamit ako for tomorrow para sa pancake. They also have available homemade chocolates where the percentage of the sweetness varies according to your taste buds. I bought this mushroom chicharon at sobrang kakaiba yung lasa. Lasa niyan.
Parang chicken skin, ma'am.
Kasama na lang to.
Anong
Sige.
cabin po kayo?
Hindi ko alam, Hiraya ba yun?
Ay, sama niyo po si sir naman.
Oo, yung matangkad.
Saan po ito, ma'am?
Parehong 75%.
Hindi, 60 po ito, ma'am.
60 at yung medyo less. Tigman ko muna to.
Saka isang bonchok po.
Ito yung kukunin ko ha. we're just having time snack. Masarap yung chicharon. So, ito yung chicharon, mushroom chicharon. Actually, masarap siya. Malakas pa yung araw kaya hindi pa ako makapag-ihaw. Pero mamaya, pagka bumaba ng konti, mag-ihaw na ako ng aming dinner. Okay, now let me show you inside of our cabin. This is our bed where we sleep. Here's the shower room. The woody tiles gives an extra modern appeal. And the other side is the toilet. It is so neat and it smells good. Kita nyo naman guys, ang linis sa loob. Although the stairs going to the loft is very narrow and steep, so it's not really recommendable for kids or older people kasi mahirap pumanik.
So, hindi pwede rito yung pang matanda.
If you choose to sleep on the loft, this stunning view is what you will see when you wake up in the morning. Ayan, emote muna ako guys. Ang ganda kasi sobra ng view. So, eto yung ginawa kong marination na pork, liempo, and chicken. Tada! So, this is marinated in white wine, Worcestershire sauce, at ayun, nasabi ko na rin, Worcestershire sauce, Knorr, and toyo, at saka with bawang, bell pepper. So, this is it. So, we're going to have barbecue. We're going to have barbecue dito sa Farm Ridge. I think nagbabaga na siya. So, ayan. Guys, this is our view habang nagba-barbecue. This is life.
Ihaw lang.
So, later, I will finish product nitong aking inihaw na liempo. Magkakamay tayo mamaya, guys. So, masarap yun. Merong kamatis, merong onion na sausawan. O kaya toyo na may kalamansi. Yee, sarap. So, dito kami nag-iihaw. Nilipat namin from there to here. Kasi yung usok pumupunta dun sa neighbor namin doon sa taas. So, look. Naluluto na siya ng pakonti-konti. Nakita nyo yan? Ooh, it's so nice. Oh, ayan. Malapit nang maluto yung aming dahan-dahan lang yung pagkakaluto niyan para hindi sunog. Ayan. Meron na kaming bonfire dito. Yung baboy namin malapit na rin matapos. Okay guys, natapos na rin kaming mag-ihaw ng pork chop, and the staff of Farm Ridge helped us to build the bonfire kasi yung unang sinet up ni Yos, it didn't work out. It did work out, kaya lang naubos na yung kahoy. So now, they helped us to build the bonfire, and ang dami nilang dinalang kahoy. Niloloko ko nga sila. Sabi ko hanggang 4 o'clock in the morning pwede kami mag-bonfire. So we're going to eat na. Ayan, doon kakain kami, nakakamay. But super worth sitting outside having dinner under the moon and the stars with bonfire. Guys, kain na tayo. So we have pork chop. Eto. Naluto ko na pork chop. Sarap, diba? As it. Meron akong hiniwang kamatis. Kamatis at saka sibuyas. So, very exciting experience namin. Cheers! Cheers! Inurong namin ng konti yung upuan kasi sobrang lakas ng apoy at ang init na sobra. Pero malamig pa rin actually kasi ang lapit namin lang sobra sa apoy. Okay guys, so off ko muna.
Grabe, nag-enjoy kaming kumain. Ang sarap ng kain namin dito. Malamig yung temperature, pero because of the bonfire. So, ang sarap ng kain, nakakamay. Nag-enjoy ka ba dyan, Paps?
Yes. So
Ha?
Before we went to sleep that night, we set our alarm at 5 a.m. so we could enjoy and capture this beautiful sunrise. Guys, notice the clouds. They are like dancing slowly while the sun uncovers the darkness. This is the time lapse of the morning sunset from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. What I did was I set my mobile phone on the tripod and edit the duration from 100% up to 1,500 times speed to get this.
Hi, good morning everyone. So we're here, we're enjoying our breakfast this morning outside of our cabin. So I prepared pancake and it's not sinangag for this time kasi mas mabilis i-prepare ang pancake. And of course, we have coffee para to enjoy the breakfast, and we have fruits. And also we have juice para medyo healthy. And we have, what's this? We have, pinesteam ko to, buti dala-dala namin yung rice cooker. And we have latik, binili ko sa Trinoma. So guys, sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam to have a breakfast outside. And we have this view. Medyo nakatalikod kami from the view, but we can see the view from the mirror in front of us. So, ang galing, ang ganda talaga. So, look, tingnan nyo to guys. Sa harap namin, ito yung aming view. Kita pa rin namin kahit kami nakatalikod. Nakatalikod kami sa sun kasi nga nakakasilaw kapag nakaharap kami doon on the other side. So, guys, join us on our breakfast this morning. So guys, if you have the opportunity or looking for a place for staycation, Farm Ridge is very recommendable, as in 100%. Kasi although ang malayo, pero mas sulit kung if you're going to stay here for 2 nights para hindi sayang, kasi ang biyahe from Manila to here 3 to 4 hours. So para papuntang Baguio din, ganun kalayo. Dito to sa Nueva Ecija, and the view, the spot that we have booked is, I believe, the most perfect spot among all the cabins here. So kasi meron sa front namin, we have the garden where we had the bonfire last night, and we really enjoyed everything the whole time that we stayed here in Farm Ridge. So, sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Mauubos na yung kinakain na asawa ko habang nagsasalita. Ako, ubos na yung pancake niya. Anyway, kakain muna kami.
Kain na.
So, ang sarap ng coffee.
Ay, medyo met na.
So, guys, kakain muna kami ha. Later ulit. See you. Has come to an end. Matapos na yung booking namin today dito. So maya-maya balik na kami sa Manila. So that's okay. Once in a while, we just have to enjoy our life by going out of town. Well, anyway, I hope that you will enjoy watching this video from Farm Ridge. At sobra talaga kaming nag-enjoy dito sa pagstay. Kahit one day lang. But anyway, okay lang din naman. Hi! Well, anyway, natumba yung cellphone. yung aking recording kasi sobrang hangin dito. Well, anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed my vlog for today here in Farm Ridge. So, again, thank you so much sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko parati and sa mga bago kong subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope you guys will always take good care and always remember, choose to be happy and be a better person every day. So, guys, God bless and have a blessed day. Shout out sa lahat ng mga bago kong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking vlog. Ingat kayo parati. Bye! Pag uwi namin, dito ulit kami kumain kasi ang sarap ng food. Ayan, meron ulit kaming papaitan at saka the same, in order ko ulit dinuguan and dinakdakan. Yan ang restaurant. Pag pupunta kayo somewhere in dito kayo kumain kasi masarap dito talaga pagka papunta kayong somewhere ng Talavera, ng Rizal, dito kayo mag stop over at mag lunch. Masarap, mura pa. Ayan, dito sila.